Now that things are fully paid and locked down, we really get to this idea of reporting and tax. Now, again, reporting is very optional. It's customer facing, but these are our out of the box reports. If for any reason you did need a report that utilized this information, we could help to provide that. But these are the out of the box ones. And I'll just show you what the equity summary looks like, for instance. So in this case, let's just choose a member. There's this idea of starting period and ending period, and then you get to choose really what you want to see on the report. In this case, I'm only generating one report, so I don't need to select any of these options. And I did pick just to show patronage and qualified. But this is what we're seeing right here. We can see everything that Ashley is owed for all allocation periods, right? So we know that we owe her almost $20,000. We did pay her out quite a lot this year with those retains and even the patronage payouts, but this is what remains. Okay. The other reports are also very similar. It will just continue to show you things like payment summaries for the members, revolvements, stock certificates. This one is an internal facing, and I don't have any lien holders set up in this demo environment right now, and so it's a little bit boring. You won't see much, but this is an internal facing, and it's really for you to understand that this many members have lien holders for stocks. This many has it for patronage, right? You can prevent payouts based on that, and this will give you a good view into those lien holders.